What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I don't know if this is going to be a morning vlog or a daily vlog. We're trying to get ourselves together. Get back into a routine. This is me holding myself accountable by filming it to get up and get something done. 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, I haven't like really worked out. I've gone on some walks and that's kind of it. Let's brush these teeth. I didn't floss last night, so we're gonna floss right now. Tongue scrape. Mouthwash. Now we brush our teeth. Put on some sunscreen. This has been a rough week. We've been traveling back and forth to Dallas. I don't know if I mentioned that to you guys. I think in the last vlog, the one that came out before this, Teron's mom was sick or wasn't doing too well. She was diagnosed with breast cancer a year ago. Well, for those of you who've purchased my program, or if you follow me on Instagram, or follow Teron, then you know that she didn't make it. Yeah. We are headed back to Dallas this coming week for the memorial, and then the first week of December we are going to Arkansas because that is her hometown. Arkansas is her hometown, so we're gonna head there because there's gonna be another memorial. He's doing well, you know, as best as you could, losing a parent. Those of you who've reached out, the ones who've already known, thank you so much. Like, truly appreciate the love. And he's been like swarmed with so much love and support. Also, a few of my girlfriends, they wanted to put together a GoFundMe for Teron and his sister. He would never ask for that, but they wanted to do it just to give some more support to him. Obviously, taking on 2 memorials, and then they have to pack up all of her things in Dallas. My 3 girlfriends who did it, they all have lost a parent, so they kind of understand what he's going through. So if anybody wants to support, I will put that down below. Even if you guys can't or choose not to donate to the GoFundMe, you've supported in so many other ways. Watching our content, anytime you use our link when you shop, like you guys shopping on our Active, or those of you who've shopped through Alphalete using Teron's code, all of you who've purchased our programs, like you've supported in so many other ways as well. So truly appreciate it. So thank you so much. Now on top of that, the election, I was sulking with that for a couple days too. So that is life right now. It's lifing. For sure. Alright, so today's not a deep clean at all. I just wanted to straighten up a bit and just not look a mess in here. But I got a couple packages, Amazon, and then iHerb. Working with them on a little YouTube short. So I just re-upped on some of my Korean skincare. I got an oil-based cleanser and then a gel base. I've used these products before, I've showed these products before, and then what else? Oh, I got an ampule, mandelic acid. I gotta film those. I'll film those tomorrow. I haven't like bought any books in a very long time. I need to re-up on my books. Although I still have a lot in my TBR, it's just not books I want to read at the moment, you know? I have a lot of fantasy on there, and I'm just still in like my romance bag right now. I bought the 3rd series from Elsie Silver. I read the Chestnut Springs And then, shit, I forgot the other one. I'm gonna try out Wild Love. This is the first book in the 3rd series, so I'm gonna do that. And then Zodiac Academy, I'm still reading this series because there's like 20 books. I was gonna make my protein coffee, but I kinda want a matcha, protein matcha. I wanna try that out. I've never done that before, so let's do that right now. Oh, I don't mind that at all. I forgot something. Say if anything, I would put just more matcha in it. I put some liquid stevia in here, and I probably could have done without that. I'm trying to think, what do I need to do today? So, I need to follow up with some clients and go over their check-ins and send updates for those who need it. I made stew a few days ago, and it was fire. It was fire. Teron loved it, so I'm gonna make some more. I also have some chicken in there that's about to go bad, so I'm actually gonna throw that in the crock pot. So this one I haven't, it's like the chicken and gravy, but a different way than I make it. I usually make my chicken gravy on the stove. It takes like 30 minutes, but this one is like a crock pot, lazy girl version. No idea if it's good, but I'll let you know today if it's good. I just saw a recipe on TikTok. I've been finding all kind of recipes on TikTok. With the cinnamon. Literally the only ingredients. You need cream of chicken and then a packet of chicken gravy and then chicken thighs, but of course you gotta still season them. Good to go. So I'm getting ready to run over to UPS. I bought all that stuff for our Halloween costume and then it just didn't happen. You know, I'm gonna return everything back to Amazon. Got the fake Converse, my fake Converse, the wig, the Doug Halloween costume. The blue shirt that I bought, I can't return that because I went and got like the vinyl, the iron-on vinyl to make my shirt for Patty Mayonnaise. And it turned out so cute. So cute. So maybe I'll save this for like next year or something. So I can't return this shirt. All right, all done. Nice and quick. It took a couple minutes. Now we head back home. Okay, I'm back. Sat on the couch and I just started to send out emails and stuff to clients and doing check-ins and stuff. So that didn't need to be filmed. I was just on the couch typing away on my laptop. Now I'm gonna go get a workout in, try to keep it to an hour. I think I'm gonna get back into my circuit training. I'll link the video down below. I did a full week of workouts and it was only like 30-minute workouts. I'm going back to those probably for like the next month or to see how I'm feeling. I'm gonna get back on that Stairmaster and yeah. I'm doing a grocery pickup just so I can make the stew. I'm gonna go to the mall because I need to find us an outfit for the funeral this week because there's a specific color scheme. So I'm gonna go see what I can find. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I just love this color. Blackberry purple. It looks like a one piece, but it's not. So here's the top and the back, and then I have on the effortless leggings. So it's just the legging. It together, it looks like I'm wearing a jumpsuit. Plus it gives me like I got some hips. I look curvy, girl. I want to wear these ones. Tron's cousin came over and his wife. Those are our friends. It's weird saying his cousin. That's our family. Okay, Kellen and Aisha. If you ever hear me say those names, like, those are our people. They brought over, look at these. Stunning, beautiful. And it was perfect because my flowers that Mary got me, Mary, if you're watching, yeah, it was past my birthday, so they were old. I had just got rid of those. Those actually lasted a long time. And so now I got some fresh flowers. Pack my bag, we're gonna go to the gym. I'll probably show you some of my workout. I actually probably I'm gonna record a part of it for Instagram because I haven't posted on Instagram in weeks. So I'm gonna record something for that.
I'm on no fixer. I'm gon' ball no picker. That I ate doors they live for. Talking on my back, go figure. Whole team eats fun splitter. Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no pictures. Full place, big stakes, my dinner. Flip that, Canal Street. Flip bags. Last week, old money. This week, new racks. Never buy 9 more. If I can't afford the gift wrap, stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tags. Heard you roll the gasoline, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket check. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib, but you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil times. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lock it, sweet line. Freeze time. Brainstorm. You can assume with your chains on.
All right, just got done with the workout. That ended up taking me way longer than I thought it would, but I was also on my phone and kind of procrastinating and stuff, but I'm just glad it got done. I picked up a salad from the gym. It's just chicken, eggs, bacon. There's cheese in there, which I'm pretty much gonna pull out, and then some tomatoes. Same. I don't like tomatoes like this. I don't mind cooked tomatoes, but I don't like raw tomatoes. Unless it's in guacamole or pico. It's just different, you know? I got to do the grocery pickup and then I'm going to go to the mall. So it's going to be a minute before I eat. It's got balsamic dressing. Just want the chicken, lettuce, and eggs. That's good chicken. Okay, back home. I didn't find anything good at the mall, so I'm just gonna go ahead and order a couple things that I saw online and then just kind of do overnight shipping and hope it gets in time and hopefully it's like the right color. It's very hard to find burnt orange. I've seen a lot of cognac, a lot of copper, and terracotta. It's like all in the same wheelhouse, but not necessarily burnt orange, but whatever, we'll make it work. I'm actually get started on the stew just because it takes 3 hours to make, and that's what I want for dinner. I wanted a 3.5 pound thing of chuck. They gave me 2.4. So the batch is gonna be smaller than I intended for it to be. And no beef broth. I think I have chicken broth in there, so that's gonna have to work. And then I'll use a little bit more of the beef base that I have. Wash my hands. What is this thing called? I don't know, I forgot what it's called. I don't know, but you just need a big pot regardless. I'm gonna get this on the stove, heat it up with some oil in it. right, so everything is in the pot. Now that's going to sit for, it's gonna sit for a total of 3 hours, but right now it's gonna sit for 2.5, and then I'm gonna come back and add the potatoes and carrots. Do come back and stir it every once in a while because the bottom will burn. The bottom will burn, and I will be back. Face is all shiny. Just to give y'all a little update on the chicken, right? Let me show you. Okay, this is what it's looking like in there. Babe is about to eat some. I tasted it. It's okay. It definitely needed some salt, so he's just gonna put some salt and he's gonna put it over rice. But it came out way watery than I expected. I don't think I dried my chicken enough after rinsing it. Alright, I got my stew and I put it over just some jasmine rice. You can use mashed potatoes if you want to, but I figured like there's potatoes in it, so I didn't want to put it over mashed potatoes. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Got my Diet Dr. Pepper, and then I'm gonna wind down for the night. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for tuning in. Appreciate the support as always. Anything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.